61. Vishnu Simhasanam Cheva Kubero Mukutam Tadha Sravyatvam Prakshaniyasya Dadau Devi Saraswati. Vishnu gave Simhasanam, throne. Kubera has given Mukutam. Mukutam means crown. Shravyatvam Prakshaniyasya. Shravyatvam is melody, Prakshaniyam is pleasantness to look at. These two are given by Devi Saraswati. Saraswati gave pleasantness in looks, melody in music, crown by Kubera, throne by Vishnu. We'll then read Sloka 62 and 63 together. Sheshaye Devagandharva Yaksha Rakshasa Pannagaha Tasmin Sadasyati Pritan Nanajati Pretan Nanajati Gunashrayan. Te Sheshaye Devagandharva Yaksha Rakshasa Pannagaha Tasmin Sadasyati Pretan Nanajati Gunashrayan. Amsham Sher Bhashitam Bhavan Rasan Rupam Kriya Balam Tattavantha Prahushtaste Matsutebhyo Divaukasaha. Devas, Gandharvas, Yakshas, Rakshasas, Pannagas, the rest of them have given Matsutebhya to my sons. Prahushtaha, because they were happy, Dattavantha, they have given. What did they give? Speech suitable for different roles. Tasmin Sadasyati Prita Nanajati Gunasrayan. They have given to respective roles that anybody takes. Amshamsher Bhashitam, speech suitable to different roles. Bhavan Rasan, feelings and emotions suitable to different roles. Rupam, form. Kriya Balam, stamina. They have given all these things to my sons. 62-63. We'll then read Sloka 62 and 63 together. Sheshaye Devagandharva Yaksha Rakshasa Pannagaha Tasmin Sadasyati Pritan Nanajati Pretan Nanajati Gunashrayan. Te Sheshaye Devagandharva Yaksha Rakshasa Pannagaha Tasmin Sadasyati Pretan Nanajati Gunashrayan. Amsham Sher Bhashitam Bhavan Rasan Rupam Kriya Balam Tattavantha Prahushtaste Matsutebhyo Divaukasaha. Devas, Gandharvas, Yakshas, Rakshasas, Pannagas, the rest of them have given Matsutebhya to my sons. Prahushtaha, because they were happy, Dattavantha, they have given. What did they give? Speech suitable for different roles. Tasmin Sadasyati Prita Nanajati Gunasrayan. They have given to respective roles that anybody takes. Amshamsher Bhashitam, speech suitable to different roles. Bhavan Rasan, feelings and emotions suitable to different roles. Rupam, form. Kriya Balam, stamina. They have given all these things to my sons. 62-63. In the second section, we will do slokas from 64 to 68, where the demons stop the production and create obstacles. That we will do 64 sloka. Evam prayoge prarabdhe daitya danavanashane abhavan kribita sarve daitya ye tatra sangata. The entire production is based on the defeat and destruction of the devil or the demons. So it has created a lot of agitation for the demons. 64th. 65th. Virupakshapurogams vignan protsahite abruvan. Netta mikshamahe natyam etad agamyatamiti. Under the leadership of Virupaksha, they started creating vignas, that means obstacles. They said, Abruvan, they said, Netha Mikshamahe Natyam Etad Agamyatamiti. We don't let this production happen. Shloka number 66. Tatastairasurai sardham vignam ayamapashtritaha वाचः चेष्टां स्मृतिं चैव तम्भयन्ति स्म नृत्यताम्. What they have done at the time, tatah, then, saihi asuraihi, those demons, they wanted to create Vignam based on Maya. That means they have done some magic by which they have stalled movement vacha, chasta, smriti. The actors cannot speak, they cannot move, they don't even remember. So they have stopped, they have stalled the movement, the action, the memory of the actors. We do 69, 70. उत्थाय त्वरितं चक्रः गृहीत्वा ध्वजमुत्तमं स्वर्णरत्नोज्ज्वला तनुः किंचित उद्वृत्तलोचनः. Chakraha Indra Utthaya, he got up from his dhyana and he took his Dhvajamuttamam, he took the flag post. Swarnaratvajjala Tanuhu, that flag post is bedecked with jewels and gems. Kinchid Udvruttalochana, he got angry, so his eyes were turning. Udvruttalochana, eyes were circling inside. So that is 69, and we'll do the 70. Rangapita Gatan Vignan Asuran Sheva Devarat Jarjari Dehan Tan Akarot Jarjarena Saha. So he went to the stage, Rangapita Gatan Vignan, the obstacles created on the stage, Asuran, the demons. Cha, as always, Cha means end. Asuran Chaiva Devarat, Indra, Jarjari Krut Dehanstan, Akarot Jarjarena Saha. This flag post is known as Jarjara. In Sanskrit, Jara means old age. There are several interpretations. This flag post is called Jarjara because once he touches anybody with the flag post, you are 30, you become 60. You are 60, you become 120. So it doubles your age, and that is one interpretation. Another is just you will become old. You will become weak. Jarjari Kruta Dehanstan Akarot Jarjarena. Jarjarena means that with that flag post, he made them all old and incapable. That is sloka number 70. We will now do sloka 71, 72 and first line of the 73. गतेषु तेषु विघ्नेषु सर्वेषु सहदानवैः संप्रहृष्य ततो वाक्यमाहुः सर्वे दिवौकसः. Now gateshu teshu vigneshu, all vignas have gateshu gone. Sarveshu sahadanavaya, all vignas. Sahadanavaya, along with the demons, all vignas, all obstacles have disappeared. And with that, tato tataha, then samprahrushya vakyamahu sarve devaukasaha. All devas, with all happiness, samprahrushya, they said, that is the 71st sloka. 72nd sloka, Aho praharanam divyam ida masaditan tvaya natyavidvamsinah sarve yenater jarjari krataha. You should understand this sloka. This sloka says, Aho praharanam divyam. What a beautiful, wonderful, useful dandam, the staff flag post that you have. Natyavidvamsana sarve yanate jarjari krata. All those who wanted to destroy the Natyam, they have been jarjari krata. You made them old, incapable, and unable and weak. That's what they said. And the 73rd sloka, first line. Tasmat Jarjara ityeva namato ayam bhavishyati. Therefore, this flag post from now on is known as Jarjaram. Jarjaram or Jarjari or Jarjara, there are so many versions, but Jarjara is the word. Jarjara is the name of the dandam. This is a very important component of drama. Even today in Kerala and other places, there is Jarjara Puja. We'll come to know that in the next slokas. This is 71, 72 and 733 part 1. There is a confusion here in some of the texts in the numbering of the slokas. So let us do the next. Seshaya chaiva himsartham upayashyanti vignakaha दृष्ट्वैव जर्जरन्तेऽपि गमिष्यन्त्येव मेवतु. I'll read it again. शेषाये चैव हिंसार्थम् उपयास्यन्ति हिंसकाः दृष्ट्वैव जर्जरन्तेऽपि गमिष्यन्त्येव मेवतु. So those others who want to destroy or create hurdles, they also, even at the very sight of this flagstaff called Jarjara, will become weak and unable, weak and old. That is the word that Indra said. That means, henceforth, if anybody wants to create problems or create obstacles in a dance production, even at the very sight of this Jarjara staff, they will themselves become weak, unable, they will have inability to create any other problems, and they will become old. The next shloka, Evamevastvita tatah chakra pravacha tan suran rakshabhutascha sarvesham bhavitya shesha jarjaraha. Evameva astiti. So be it. It will be like that. Said Chakra, Pravacha Tan Suran. He told assured all the devas that from now on it will be like that. Raksha Bhutascha Sarvesham. It will protect everybody. Bhavishyatesha Jarjara. Jarjara will become now from now on a protector for all the dancers. He said in 75. 76. प्रयोगे प्रस्तुते ह्येवं स्फीते शक्रमहे पुनः तरासं संजयनयन्ति स्म विघ्नाः शेषास्तु नृत्यताम्. So again, Indrotsava started again. Prayoge prastute. They started again. The prastuta means presently they started the prayogam again. And again, punaha again, Trasam sanjanayanti sma. They are creating stress and vignaha, obstacles, for the rest of the dance programs and the dancers. That is sloka number 76. 77 and 78 slokas. दृष्ट्वा तेषां व्यवसितं दैत्यानां विप्रकारजम् उपस्थितः अहं ब्रह्माणं स्वतैः सर्वैः समन्वितः. Bharata is saying this. Upastitah aham. I was there present. Drishtva tesham vyavasitam daityanam viprakarajam. Having seen again the attempts of demons to create problems, we went to Brahmanam Sutaihi Sarvaihi Samanvitaha. We went to Brahma along with all the children, that means 100 of his sons, and he went to Brahma. That is shloka number 77. 78 says, Nichita Bhagavan Vighna Natyasya Vinachane Asya Raksha Vidhim Samyagajnapaya Sureshwara. Nichita Bhagavan Vighna Natyasya Vinachane Asya Raksha Vidhim Samyagajnapaya Sureshwara. O Lord of the gods, Brahma, they are determined to create obstacles. So please create such a protection so that we can do the performance without any obstacles. Raksha Vidhim Samyak Ajnapaya. Order a protection system that we can perform without any problems. This is the last shloka. Then we go to the 79 tomorrow. Thank you. We'll start from the 79th verse. 79th verse, Brahma is asking Vishwakarma to construct the auditorium. Tatascha Vishwakarmanam Brahmovacha Prayatnatah Kuru Lakshana Sampannam Natyaveshma Mahamate. Mahamate means one who has great intelligence. So he told Vishwakarmanam, Brahma Uvacha, Brahma said, Prayatnatah, with all your efforts, make Natyaveshma, means auditorium, Lakshana Sampanna, with all qualities, with all good components, create one Natyagraha. That is 79th shloka. We will now do 80, 81. 80. Tato achirena kalena Vishwakarma mahat shubham sarvalakshana sampannam krutva natyagraham tu saha. Saha hi Vishwakarma. Tataha then achirena kalena means in very short time sarvalakshana sampannam krutva natyagraham tu saha. With all the components, sarvalakshanas, all the great characters, great components, krutva natyagraham is constructed the natyagraham. 80. 81. Praktavan druhinam gatva sabhayam tu krutanjalihi sanyam natyagrahan deva tadavekshitum arhasi. So he went to Druhina. Druhina is another name for Brahma. He went to Brahma and Praktavan, he told, Gatva, he went there. Sabhayan tu krutanjalihi. He went to his court, Brahma's court, and with krutanjalihi means with namaskaram, he said, Sanyam natyagrahan deva tadavekshitum arhasi. I have made the natyagraham that avekshitum arhasi, you should come and visit the natyagraham. This is 80, 81.